No loitering. Please disperse.
NIGHTCRAWLER Media.
NIGHTCRAWLER.
NIGHTCRAWLER Media.
NIGHTCRAWLer Media.
NIGHTCRAWLER Media.
That's why the car's gonna get closed.
I'm doing the next scene.
I'm gonna do the next scene.
There's a shell casing right there. A two-part crime scene. There was a shooting about 5 blocks behind us. I didn't go live for that. We were just over there for a minute. So now we heard on the radio more shot spotter, more reports of shooting over here. There's a report of car hitting other cars and 3 males with guns outside of the cars. It's Disorderly Product News right in front of me. Can't say for sure, but I believe this would be the purpose car right here, since it came from the direction of the other shots fired. Hello. Huh? I don't know. No. I don't know what she wants. Hey, who's that white shirt? Is that fire?
That's a firefighter.
That's fire? Okay.
This police.
Oh, they're all up in here.
A primary shooting scene about a half a mile that way. These officers, this is the car, I think they were probably getting chased, or they were chasing the Hispanic kid. This was filled with African American youth. They jumped out of the car and got little. They ran. And then the car with the Hispanics kept on circling around looking for them. But like I said, the original shooting scene is a half a block straight down that way, exactly where this car was coming from.
Camera footage?
No. the radio footage. We could get that call
I don't know.
just for the video. No,
I don't know. I considered, at one point I considered setting up some recording device at my computer and let it run.
Ask anybody on the live if they know how crimeisdown.com, if they could get a call that came in 10 minutes ago in zone 10. Is there a way that they could do that? So we could put it in the video.
So, safety vest in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the buses lined up. The bus route's blocked right now. YouTube. It's better than TV.
Why?
Bus route is blocked. Bus driver over there is like, what's taking so long?
No parking. Please remain in your vehicle. No loitering. Please disperse.
The wrong recording. 7864, disturbing the peace.
What's the what's the time?
7576, disturbing the peace. It's 8:50.
And what's the date?
October 11th.
So it's Sunday, October 11th, 8:50 at night. These are the main intersection. We are at the intersection of the last.
Letting the buses through.
Divide Hispanic neighborhood and the African American down here. Going to the west side, that's the African American neighborhood, and down here, the northwest side.
Look at all these people, they had to sit and wait. Not sure why they don't just go around the block.
No, I think they thought it was like a Jeep Wrangler or a Jeep Cherokee.
I saw the whole thing.
You saw it?
What did you do?
The great car, he was basically speeding. They weren't.
So the guy coming down this street.
Yeah, he was basically speeding. The guy with the maroon truck, he was getting ready to make a turn, but he was driving at like maybe not even doing 15, maybe 20 turning. I was standing
So
The red car?
this car, the Envoy,
Yeah.
was speeding down here.
Yeah.
And then when they get hit, did they jump out of the car and run?
They jumped, yeah, he was like, jump out, jump out. It was two drivers, and they jumped, and I guess because of the impact, the two guys that were hit, the little car and the truck, they obviously,
But this Envoy, did they all jump out of the car and run?
yeah, it was two of them, I believe.
So they didn't catch
jumped, they jumped out, because of the impact,
Yeah.
they couldn't. The initial, like, it was pretty bad.
All right. Yeah,
So-
they were
Pretty
running
sure.
from a shooting down the street.
So there was a shooting.
this
There
way.
was a shooting down there, right?
Yeah.
And I think from what we put together so far, I think the guy in the gray car, they were shooting paintballs, but they shot it at somebody who had a real gun.
Stupid.
So when now they're trying to get away from the guys with the real gun.
Right.
They hit right here. And then
Yeah.
over the radio on the scanner it said there's a group of Hispanics who are circling the block looking for the guys that jumped out of the car.
Stupid.
So they just ran the red light.
That guy, the guy in the blue truck could have lost his life.
Hey, get the fuck on, fucking loser!
They did get somebody.
They let him do that. They rolled down the back window and they let him do that.
Wow.
Dude. But
Hey,
honestly,
YouTube, any YouTube employees that saw that, if you have any complaints about the language on my video, call the Chicago Police Department. They did that, not me.
I think the loser would be the one in the backseat of the police car, but I'm not saying anything.